Man, I honestly forgot how much I enjoyed using this GoPro since I brought it back out yesterday. And I'm just gonna go back to using it. I'm not gonna so much worry about having to upload all my content so quickly by just uploading it straight from my phone, my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I'll just take the time to, what in the world happened there? The garage didn't even open. Okay. And I'll just take the clips off of here and put them on the computer, get them edited and uploaded for you guys. And this garage is still a war zone, but I will say that once the weather cools down, which we're getting there, I've heard that this fall is actually supposed to be a whole lot warmer than normal. There's a lizard in here somewhere. But once it gets like a cooler, we need to come in here and get everything situated so I can find what I need. I'm looking for nope, that's not it. What is that? Desktop table air hockey. I had parts. Oh, here you are. I had parts in here from Flat 6. These are my wheel spacers. I got to figure out how I'm going to get those installed because they don't fit like I had anticipated originally. But I think it's because I got aftermarket wheels. So I got to work on that later. But today is diverter valve day. And I've got these two diverter valves. Got these clamps. Got some stickers from John. Appreciate you, John. And let's see here. Those are the wheel spacers. So I just gotta, they asked that I send them a link for the instructions, which John has done an amazing job of providing instructions for installing every part that he creates or makes or sells. So I'm gonna grab that, and because my Porsche dealer, they said that they would install these for me today with the work that they're doing to the car. Because I gotta take the bumper off and I didn't really feel like doing it. So I'm gonna leave that to them. And once I get these diverter valves installed, once I get this cart back in the garage, once the diverter valves, there we go. Once the valves are installed, I will then need gas too. Once the valves are installed, I will then do my data log and send that to John to get my finalized custom tune for the intake swap, the diverter valve. I think that's it. And I'll get my final custom tune. And then from there, I got to get this car cleaned badly and work on the wheel spacers. And then maybe after that, we're gonna chill for a little bit, but maybe at some point, maybe I actually end up doing the turbo upgrades, the downpipe upgrades, and cranking this boost up as high as possible to max out squeeze out every little piece of power juice from this Macan GTS. But we'll see. But that's the cool thing about this GoPro is like you can pretty much sit it anywhere. Odds are it's going to capture everything, and the audio is pretty decent. I don't even have my media mod on for the mic, so this is just like pure GoPro 11 Hero Black audio. And this selfie stick is like a tripod too, so it's just like super convenient, super simple, super easy. But we're getting fuel, we're loading up or filling the tank. I don't want Porsche to have any issues or run out of gas, so let's go ahead and get this joker filled up, which actually works out because I get to make this a business expense. Use my company credit card since this is part of the video. All right, we got fuel, so that's a plus. And we still have plenty of time because it is almost 8:52. What time is it? But either way, yeah, 8:52. Waiting for this guy to go so I can leave. I think he's watching me record, trying to figure out what am I doing. But either way, the goal here is to be able to get my car dropped off. Technically, they're supposed to get it at like 10 o'clock, but it's just like a generalized appointment. It's nothing like set in stone. So the goal here is to get my car dropped off, and Michelle will be coming back to pick me up so I don't have to walk. And well, maybe, I guess they could have given me a loaner, but I don't need a loaner. So I'm just gonna get the car dropped off, maybe still have a few minutes to browse the lot and see what kind of inventory they have there today, and get back in time because we are doing a live stream at 10 a.m. So that's about just a little over an hour away from now. We're going to do a live stream at 10 a.m. on Scroll Tribe 2.0. We got a big old crane over here today. Might be swapping out a rooftop unit or chiller. The crane is huge. Now we got a little bit of a situation over here as we try to squeeze by this now seemingly one-lane road. If I had known, I could have driven through the parking lot here to get around this. I don't know what this debris is in the road, and you guys know the situation that I've been through with these tires. I am not trying to get any more nails, but this guy is letting me through. Maybe it's a trash situation. So appreciate that. I don't know what they're doing over there. It's just a bunch of garbage in the road. And we got a lot going on because they just finished demolishing this old, I don't know what that damn store was, but they just destroyed that. That thing is torn down, and I think they're going to put up a new Publix there next. Trying to get in here through the back way because I saw this semi truck pulling up. I had a feeling he was going to block me. There's Griffin. I had a feeling he was going to block me, so I went the other way. Let me see if I can borrow this EV parking spot real quick, because this is a one-way. Technically I'm going in the out hole. Okay, he pulled that Cayenne GT, is that turbo? He pulled it out, so I can go this way, squeeze in over here at the roof rack on the 911. It's tight over here today. These jokers gonna be busy. Oh, they got a new 911 992 for sale. I will just squeeze in right here, and we'll do a quick tour in just a minute. All right, let's take a walk. So apparently this semi truck that I was trying to avoid, you see that Taycan there? Now I don't think it's that Taycan, but inside of here there are actually batteries. So these are batteries for a Taycan. So I guess they're going to be replacing batteries in some Taycans, which they actually have a, Scott showed me they have this like specially made battery jig or cage that they use to maneuver these batteries around. So they'll be swapping batteries on these Taycans. Now this 4S is looking pretty mean. I think I'd do the chrome delete around the windows. I like the wheels though. I like this. I like the setup. A little bit lower, some wheel spacers. Will a Taycan ever be in my future? I don't know. They do look mean though. What do you guys think? We got a new Cayenne, still wrapped in plastic. My dirty old Macan. We got a 991 Carrera. Looks like it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it, or maybe some special sport tips. Not sure. Cabriolet, tan interior, no sport chrono. Sorry, can't do it. And we've got Panamera, Cayenne, Voxster, another Taycan. Panamera for sale, $92,418. Macan, I don't see the Lamborghini Huracan, so maybe they sold it already. Mercedes Equus, EQS, is it Equus or EQS? Yeah, they might have sold that Macan. No, Huracan. They might have sold that Huracan already. Scott's old Jeep for sale. Scott's other Jeep, because I think his Taycan is getting worked on because somebody rear-ended him in Atlanta. And I don't know, maybe these are employee cars. So this is the Taycan with the carbon ceramics. Man, those things are beautiful. Epic. Whew, man, nasty. Wagoneer. I don't know if the Wagoneer is getting charged up or what. I didn't know those things were electric. And got some overflow back here. 997, 997, 996, 991. And yeah, I'm just waiting on my ride to pick me up.
It's got rear axle steering. I mean, it's badass.
Oh boy, here we go.
Don't be videoing
Here.
me cussing.
We'll edit it out.
No, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about it. I don't know enough about it yet.
So this one's got that. This one's got what, the Aero package on it?
Yeah, it does have. It has the It has the design.
Design.
Sport design package.
Sport design.
Yes. Sport design package. It has this logo.
What color is this?
This is GT silver.
This thing's beautiful.
Look at this.
Oh man, I'm not even a red interior fan, but
That's what color my interior.
I'm feeling this one. How is yours? Is yours getting? Are y'all doing the repair here, or you take it to a body shop?
I'm taking Mullins, Carfax, and Porsche replaced it.
Did you sell your Huracan already?
Yes.
It's already gone. That was what, like 2 weeks?
Well, we already had a buy bid with Lambo.
Oh, okay. So you sold it to?
Who sold it to them?
That's cool, man. Yeah, because y'all the other day y'all were looking like y'all were looking slam packed, and then now y'all kind of like back down to like slimming up a little bit.
We had a whole bunch of cars coming in.
Yeah. You got any bites on the Jeep yet?
No, I can't believe it. $22,000.
Wait, 22 for that?
No.
Oh.
$22,000 in upgrades.
Oh, I was about to say.
I got it for like $43,000.
For sale for 43.
Yeah. And it's a 2020 with 65,000 miles on it, but it's all Crestview to here.
Okay.
That's it. And it's got 513 gearing. It's got 4-inch lift. It's got 37s with the candy apple red interior. It's got the fender flares. It's got the seats.
Would your Jeep do better on 98?
No,
I'm just saying parked on 98.
Well, it was over there.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. There's nobody that can explain it better than me. You know, it's like what gets me. It's like, yeah. Like I was just talking to the guy who said hi. He's like, give me something I can tow with. I can tow.
Uh-huh.
Buy my Jeep.
Buy my Jeep. I tell you what.
He goes, oh.
All right, got a ride. And Scott offered me a job.